In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the time away function on eBay. If you're stepping out for a vacation, attending a conference, or just need a short break from shipping orders, eBay's time away feature helps you set clear expectations with buyers and keeps your shop running smoothly while you're not actively fulfilling. Start on eBay's homepage and make sure you're signed in. Move your mouse to your profile area at the top of the page. This is typically your name, a profile icon, or the My eBay menu. When the menu appears, open your account area by selecting Account Settings. This takes you to a hub where you manage your seller preferences. On the Account Settings page, look for the option labeled Time Away and open it. This is where you control your away schedule and how it affects your listings and buyer messaging. You'll see a section for scheduling your time away. Go into that section to begin setting things up. Then choose Edit Time Away to adjust the details. Now set your dates. First, add your start date. Use the calendar picker to choose the exact day you want your away status to begin. If you're leaving later in the day, it's usually a good idea to start your time away one day earlier than your departure to avoid any last-minute orders you can't ship on time. Next, add your end date. Pick the day you'll be fully back and ready to ship again. If you're returning late in the evening, consider ending your time away the following day so your handling times and delivery estimates stay accurate. Before you lock it in, take a moment to double-check both dates and make sure they reflect your time zone. This helps ensure eBay's delivery estimates and any notices to buyers line up with your actual availability. When everything looks correct, click Apply to save your schedule. Once applied, eBay will update your shop's status for the window you set. Buyers will see appropriate notices on your listings, and estimated delivery dates will adjust based on your away period. You can still monitor messages and sales if you choose, but keep in mind that handling times and expectations should match the dates you entered. If your plans change, you can return to the same time away page to adjust your schedule or end it early. That's all there is to it. With a minute of setup, you keep your store professional, protect your seller metrics, and give buyers a clear timeline while you're away.